How you guys doing?
Good, sir. How are you?
Good, man. Just checking on my son.
He's impaired driving.
It's impaired?
He's currently in custody for DUI.
DUI. Did he blow? Okay.
We're at that point right now where he's asking if he's willing to blow or not.
Cool. Let me find my way real quick, see where we're at. This is crazy. Sorry about this.
It's all right.
When it comes to 5%, no. No good over your contract. No, not when it comes to 5%, that's it. Breathalyzer.
Over here, sir.
What's up?
Over there. He's got to make the decision on his own.
Can't make a decision. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you down to the instrument. I'm going to give you the opportunity down there to provide a sample of your okay? Okay, that's fine. Quick stance for me. That's a one. You follow with your buffer.
Just gonna wait to be calling somebody, I guess.
Yeah, we're good too.
Jeez.
Can I get out yet or no?
Basically, if he refuses, he's gonna lose his license. I think he has refused. I think that's where we are with it.
Give me a second.
So if he refuses, he's gonna have the opportunity to go to a driver's license hearing, or he can get a hardship driver's license. If this is his first DUI, there's methods they can use to reduce the charges. I mean, there's different things that they can do. With your attorney, you should be able to figure all that out.
Yeah, he says his first DUI.
Yeah, he should be.
What was he doing? Was he speeding or what was his deal?
Move over.
Excuse me?
Move over.
What does move over mean?
Means when the officers are working on the side of the road, you change lanes. He went by us at 51.
Yeah, boy. Really, these damn kids get more than they need to. Unbelievable.
Huh? Just give me a minute.
Oh well. So they're taking him over to 49th Street?
We're going to take him to the main station. We're going to give him the opportunity to, I think he's refused, so we're going to give him the opportunity to still provide a breath sample regardless. And then if he still refuses, then he'll just get a DUI citation and then he's going to go to the county jail after that. So he's got to spend 8 hours from the time of the arrest.
Where's the main station you going to?
645 Pierce Street.
Is that downtown?
Yes, sir.
Is that across from the empty park over there?
Yes, sir.
What's going on with those two idiots?
They're just yelling and screaming. She's very upset. What's the status?
He says he can't make up his mind right now. He wants to
Yeah.
provide a sample, so I'm going to take him down to the instrument and give him that opportunity.
Okay. Yeah, you're going to have to do that regardless.
You have a driver's armor down. It's just not working.
Just give me a no problem. I got it. Yeah, okay, go ahead. This is something.
Do you have any more questions, sir? Let's go.
Yeah. Okay.
It wraps
Yeah,
around.
well, I need to get a bail bonds, I guess, to get him out.
It's very cheap. You own it.
Hold on 1 second. One of these officers might get a question. Yes, sir?
It's a very cheap bond. You know?
Yeah. No, it's just standard procedure here with me. It's always some type of BS drama.
Let's see what he wants to do.
Okay, well, yeah, the officer said he's down at the downtown station across that empty park where we were going down and feeding all the homeless people down there. I think that's the one right down there. All right, so. Well, there's no reason for you to stay up there booking him, and then I'm going to bail him out. That should be it.
He's got to spend 8 hours.
Hold on a second. I'm sorry, what was that, boss?
He's got to spend 8 hours in custody.
He's going to be there 8 hours?
He's got to spend 8 hours. By state law, he's got to spend 8 hours in custody.
Okay, well, he's going to spend 8 hours in custody, and then I'll get him out. Can I talk to him?
Hogan.
585, can you come back here real quick?
I can take her in the car in the house if you want to. I'll run a sobriety test and everything about it. If you trust me.
Just 1 second.
I'm asking 585 to back up. Can you talk to him real quick?
Okay.
Can you back up so we can talk to him real quick?
I was gonna. Yeah, I can do that. I was just gonna get your phone number real quick for him.
Still there.
Good. Why don't you back away first? And we'll do it.
Is he still here now? They call off already?
So, at the end of the day, okay, all right, cool.
Just keep an eye on them, please.
Okay, sounds good.
I dropped my phone. Can I have a light?
Cool. All right, thank you. Yeah, well, it's just standard procedure from here on out, so. Okay. All right, well, thank you. Yeah. All right, thank you. Okay, sounds good. All right, thank you. Did you say I could talk to him?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
He's right here in this car.
Well, I wanted me to get your phone number for him so they can take his property.
And that was so I could get his property?
So he'll be able to call you once he gets down to the county and everything. He'll be able to call you from there. Usually they have a cell phone, but he wanted me to get your number for him. I'm gonna put it in his property.
Okay. Also, the officer said it'd be 8 hours before he could get
Yes,
mailed out.
sir.
So there's no reason for me to go down there and hang around all night.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Just wait for our call. Make sure it's on high ring so you don't miss it.
Yeah, so mine's going back to sleep.
Yeah, he'll get out 10 o'clock.
10?
Yeah, as long as he blows under an 05, he'll get out at 10 o'clock.
All right, cool.
You want to speak with him, sir?
Yeah, I'd love to.
All right. Yeah. Window
Open
down.
the door. Open the door.
You good, Bubba? Yeah. All right, cool. Fucking on. Yeah.
I gotta kind of stick right here, sir.
Okay, you want all my stuff? I'm not going to hand him anything. No. Are you okay? Yeah, okay, Bob. Yeah, okay, good.
He's gonna deal with that.
Okay, yeah, okay, gotcha. All right. Well, it's the judge calling me back and say, hello. Yeah. Got it. Got it. Yeah, what about when we get to the station? Yeah. Well, I know he took a field sobriety test, right? Yeah. Did he pass it? No. All right. Okay. All right, cool. Well, we didn't know that. So what about when he gets to the station? Yeah. 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 Okay, so just continue saying, no. Okay. All right, cool. All right, thank you. All right. Anyway, I can't bail you out here for 8 hours. No, don't worry about it. As far as the blood test or, yeah, definitely. Urine is up. Okay. Yeah. All right, I'll see you in about 8 hours. That's okay. It's all right. Just keep your head down. Yeah, notice these got 32 minutes.